Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to fix error command not found PHP, which is command not found PHP. Now to fix this, actually we have to install PHP in our computer. To install PHP, we have to use a toolkit called Homebrew. You can go to Google and then search for Homebrew. Otherwise I will also include that command in the description. Go to this link and copy this command, just easy. Then in the terminal you have to paste this code. Then Homebrew will be installed. Now enter your computer password and then press enter. After entering your password here and then press enter in this place. Now it will start to download. Okay, it already downloaded here. Now to install PHP, all we have to do is just say brew install PHP. Actually this Homebrew is much useful because it allows us to do so many things with just simple commands. Here we are installing PHP with only 3 words. Also to install Python or do anything, we have to say brew install. For Python we have to say brew install Python, and for others with the package name. Okay, now press enter to install PHP. Actually when you are installing this for first time, it will take some minutes, depends on your internet connection. And here I already downloaded the latest version available, which is 8.1.12. to check the installed version of PHP, you can also use PHP -cgi space -- version. It should return us the current version of PHP installed in our computer. Okay, now if this video helps, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell icon. Thank you very much.